hot minute. It's been forever since I've seen you guys, bro, or even talked to you guys. I stopped streaming for like a week just to see how it went and start back. Yeah, no, I got you, bro. I got you. Give me a second. Got you. Give me a second. Give me a second, Linda. All right, give me a second. I'm locking. I have to like lock in. All right, this week or like last week, I've been cooking, bro. I've been cooking. I think I took all winning trades last week. But let's go ahead and run it. I'm using a new microphone. If you guys don't like it, let me know so I can change it out for a different one. Hey, what's up, Rayan Bell OG? What's up, brother? Give me a second. I gotta fix something real quick. There we go. Okay, let's get lit. All right, ready? Okay, so what we're going to do is create a new session. We'll be pretending like we have 150K here, and then NQ, and then ES. And then we're going to do a random date. Let's just do like February 1st, 2023. Do you stream on other platforms as well? Yes, I stream on YouTube and YouTube also. So that's why I gotta like wait a little bit. Oh my gosh, my chain. Hold on, let me take off my chain real quick. Yo, what's up, Jordy? Hopefully the quality's not bad, bro. I changed the quality on my TikTok, so hopefully it's not that bad. Actually, are you a content creator or liquidity? I am liquidity. Okay, let's get started. No, I'm just lying. Okay, let's get started though. For real. So what I've been doing a lot is daily profiling. So daily profiling has helped me out a lot, realistically. So let's get right into it. Change this to New York time really quick. All right, so this has kind of been my new strategy that I've been using. It's not new. It's not new. It's not new. But let me turn on my indicator really quick. It's been forever since I've talked to you guys, so I'm kind of just catching up a little bit. No, it's just TikTok Live Studio, bro. TikTok Live Studio. And I'm 20 years old. Coos. Strap. All right, so for me to even look for a setup or anything, what I've been doing is, one, find daily profiling. I've been doing a lot of daily profiling a lot, so that's been helping me out a lot. You're quiet, can't hear you. Hold up. Is this quiet? Am I quiet, bro? Sorry about that. I'm using a new mic, so if it's quiet, I can't help it right now. Low key. And then daily profiling, and then 2, entry model, which is like, entry model would be like IFVG plus CIZ or MMSS plus fair value gap. So, and then the 3 is find liquidity, because once you find your daily profile, you kind of know where the market is most likely to go. Liquidity sweep, find liquidity, wait for confirmation, and then enter. So that's kind of what I've been using a lot. Daily profiling has helped me out a lot. So let's get right into it. This is what I've been using. Time is mouse. Yes, exactly. So, can barely hear. Okay. Give me 1 second. Let me fix my mic. Let me turn this off really quick. Okay, hold on. Let me fix this one. Give me 1 second. Let me fix the microphone real quick. There we go. There we go. Oh my god. All right, hold on. Let me fix this on TikTok really quick. There we go. There we go. All right. Okay, now let's get started. So let's delete this. So looking at the daily, or looking at the hourly, what are we? We're very bullish. And do we have any higher time frame fair value gaps to the left of us? Yes, we do. We have a 4-hour. We have a 4-hour fair value gap to the left of us right here, right? So I could look for it. I could expect shorts. Realistically, I could expect shorts, and oh yeah, SMT also. So let's get right into it. So accumulation. I'm looking for some sort of short. So let's see. Let's just play it out. Actually, yeah. Let's. I could be mixed bias right now because looks like we tapped this. Looks like we tapped this PD array right here. This new day opening gap, and then we pumped up, getting a change of state of delivery for longs. So I could be long bias here actually. So looking at here, I'm looking for some sort of liquidity sweep. I'm looking where liquidity could lie, which is this fair value gap right here. So I'm looking. Looks like price is chopping. And then we have SMT divergence between ES and EQ right now, actually. Right here. I'm going to keep waiting for some sort of confirmation here. Price is super choppy right now. So, looks like we did sweep out this low. This is sell side liquidity here. We got a change in state of delivery here also. We have a fair value gap. We got a market structure shift. Longs here don't look bad. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and long here. Stops is... stops could be right here. And then I'm looking to target an RR of 2. So I'm just going to do this. I'm going to go in. This is a wide stop. I'm going to put my stops right here. So if we lose this trade, we lose it. It's fine. Let's see. There we go. So this liquidity was ran through, and we tapped -1. I would sell half of my positions off here. Move my stops to break even here. Keep playing it out. So -2, I would sell another position off here. And the take profit is there. So my last take profit would be at these 4-hour highs, or this rejection block right here. So let's go ahead and do this. Play it out, see what happens. Let's see. Market is still opened. I've already taken two positions off here. There we go, boy! Fuck is he talking about? Light work, bro. Light fucking work. Improvement. Yeah, no, dude, I'm telling you, daily profile will literally give you the buy. Like, you honestly, with daily profiles, you don't even need to go in the 4-hour or above. You just need the 1 hour, bro. Realistically. Do it again. I got you. That was a 5RR trade, boy. 5R trade. That's crazy. Next. Explain daily profiles. Daily profiling is basically what did London and Asia do. And once you find out it's easy as fuck. Keep cooking, yes sir. Let's see. Okay, so go on the hourly. Look out here. Oh yeah, this website is FX Replay. And if you guys make sure you guys leave a like, that'd be crazy. So that'd be very helpful. So looking at this, right? Looking at this chart, what does it look like? It looks like we tapped this order block and then we got to change the state of delivery to the downside. And I'm looking for potential shorts so far. And this is NASDAQ. This is NASDAQ. And we have slight SMT here at this key level. We have a key level here, this order block right here, a key level. So I'm looking for potential shorts. And let's run it. We do have a 15-minute fair value gap right here. I'm looking for price to come up and tap this 15-minute fair value gap, more than likely to take out all of these generated sell side liquidity lows. So let's go ahead and play it out. So it looks like we tapped this 15-minute fair value gap, and we're sweeping out this liquidity here. We're sweeping out liquidity, and it looks like we had a big major news day here. We can either seek and destroy price action or continue the reverse or continue. Let's go ahead and run it. We swept up this high. I'm looking for a change in state of delivery or a market structure shift to the downside. Rather, because right now, as you can tell, we're very bullish. I'm looking for some sort of market structure shift to validate it, right? I'm looking for a low to get ran through with displacement here. As you can tell, we're very bullish. So I could wait here a lot more. I could wait. We're very bullish. We're running through this. We never really tapped the higher time frame discounted PD array, which we did right here. I guess this is your discounted PD array right here. And we do have SMT divergence. Wait, no, I lied. Oh, yeah, I'm still very bearish. So let's go ahead and run it. But if this candle closes above this bearish candle here, I'll be looking for longs. The reason why is because we'll have a change of state of delivery here. And yeah, so I'm going to keep playing it out. But right now, I am bearish. So right here, this could be... Actually, I lied. No, it's not it. We're super bullish to the point where I need a big market structure shift to the downside here. So right here, this could be your market structure shift. Market structure shift. We left displacement, but you gotta ask yourself: are we in some sort of PD array? I mean, realistically, we're not. Oh, and but we do have this rejection block here, though. So we are in a higher time frame PD array. I'm looking for some sort of SMT to validate this market structure shift to the downside. Let's see if we have any SMT. Okay, we do have SMT. We have a slight SMT divergence between ES and NQ, which is like at this high or some shit. And then, okay, well, I'm just going to get more. So I could look for potential shorts here to target these low-hanging fruits. So what I'm going to do is play it out. So look at that. I'm going to see if we run through this. If we run through this, it's not going to look good. So right here, what does it look like? We tap this imbalance, and we also inverse this tiny little fair value gap right here. So I could just go ahead and enter my shorts here. I know we have SMT at those highs. Put my stops above right here. Minimize my stops. And look to target lower. And we have SMT divergence between ES and NQ right here also. So I'm just going to go and play it out. I'm looking at partial off at this low and this low here. Let's see. Hey, thank you, Big G, for subscribing. Appreciate that, brother. Okay, so took an L here, which is completely fine. I took an L here, and that's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna keep playing it out. So right here, we just ran this fair value gap here through. We just ran this through. And we did tap this order block here also. We could look to short here. We could look to short here. I'll give shorts one more try here. Yeah, I'll give shorts one more try here. And then if not, I'll call it a day for this day. And look to target these low-hanging fruits here. Okay, stopped out. Just going to go ahead and call it a day. I just want to see how price act played out. Let's see. Yeah, price ended up playing shorts pretty nicely here. Maybe I could have waited, but the shorts were the move regardless. Yeah. That's fucking tough. That's tough. But I'm going to go ahead and go to the next day here. Like I said, losses are going to happen, and I lost right there. So that's how it is. So let's go back. Daily profiling. Looking at this trade here, where are we at? It looks like we swept out this liquidity here, but we don't have a higher time frame imbalance to back us up. Yes, we do, but this PD rate is in discount. If you mark out your Fibonacci tool, we are in discount of this range, so we could look for potential longs. And yeah, this is a trading app. What's your win rate? I don't know. We're about to see. I'm gonna do a few and then check my win rate in a little bit. So right here, we have technically SMT at these lows, and let's see. We have SMT at these lows. We swept out liquidity, and we're in a discounted PDA right here. If you draw your Fibonacci tool from here to here, we're in discount of this range. So I'm going to go ahead and say, okay, my bias is longs. So let's go ahead and play it out. I'm looking for a 15-minute liquidity pool, which could be this low, but we're gonna go and play it out here. So right here, we're pushing back. We're pushing up, right? We're pushing up. Keep playing it out. We're chopping here. Now we have lots of generated buy side liquidity and sell side. So I'm looking for these lows to get swept and then potential IFVG to the highs. So like I said, oh shit, my bad. Lows were swept. Okay, so I could enter off right here if I wanted to, honestly. I know we're coming up to these highs. I'm bullish bias, like I said. I've established that I'm bullish bias. And let's see. I've established that I'm bullish bias. So I'm going to go ahead and long here. And we have SMT between ES and NQ, which is these lows. My stops as this order block, and I'm looking to target higher prices, right? Where can we most likely dump? This fair value gap, but we also have highs that we could look to take partials off of these highs, etc. So I'm gonna give longs here a try. Stops here is pretty big. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. The RR is really not worth it, but if I know where price is going, I should be fine. I should be fine here. Let's go ahead and play it out. Okay, so looks like price decided to just sweep out this high and then dump. I'll keep looking for longs. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. I'm gonna keep waiting for longs. Let's see. Looks like we swapped out this low. Looking for a change of state of delivery. So I could give longs here another shot. Stops right here. And look at the target higher here. Let's go and play it out. I'll probably look to take a partial off at this fair value gap right here. Or CE of this fair value gap right here. Just looking at it, price. There we go. Taking off. Must have to break even. I'm looking at target highs. There we go. Full take profit hit. There we go. There we go. There we fucking go! Fuck! Mid, this is a beautiful trade. Was in barely any drawdown. And beautiful. Take a partial off the FCE of this fair value gap here. Let it ride to this high. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, let's go ahead and go to the next day here. Have you tried not taking partials? I have not tried taking partials. Partials is part of the game. I just take partials just to be safe and precautious. When did you start the live, kid? I started the live like 24 minutes ago. Alright, let's go and run it again. Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. So looking at this market, looking at the charts here, what did London do? London came down, tapped, nothing. London came down, tapped, nothing. And we have SMT between ES and NQ right here. So this is pretty tricky. And the reason why that's tricky is because we're trading between two imbalances here. We have a volume balance and we have a 4-hour fair value gap right here. And looks like we're chopping around right here. So therefore, we have to just be careful, honestly. There's not really a set bias because we never swept out any sort of liquidity. But looking at this chart right here, we're coming out of a volume imbalance. We have swept out, London swept out Asia high, and then we're starting to displace down. I'm going to wait till 10 o'clock. If 10 o'clock tells me that we break below this candle here and we get a change of state of delivery, I would be bearish. But if not, I'm going to continue. I'm going to go ahead and say that I'm bullish, right? So if we, like I said, we have SMT between ES and Q right here. ES took out this high, or ES took out this high, and Q did not take out this high. So like I said, if we get a candle closure below this level right here, this candle right here, I'm going bearish. If not, we're going bullish. So I'm going to play it out. So I'm going to wait for this candle to close, to fully close. I'm going to wait till 10 o'clock. So this candle close below, I'm looking for potential shorts. I'm looking for shorts now. So let's see what happens here. Looking for shorts. This is 10 a.m. server bullet. Looks like we tapped this order block right here also. Starting to get a nice rejection off of it. So right here, looks like we're chopping around. I'm going to wait. Looks like we sweep it out this high. It looks like we're dumping here. We have major SMT. We have SMT here between ES and NQ. And higher time frame, we are in this breaker. Yeah, I'll go ahead and give shorts here a try. We did inverse this fair value gap right here. and we did sweep out some sort of high, and we are in this order block here. So I'm looking at target lower. We're going to target London low. Play it out. I'm going to just go ahead and move my stops down here. Or my take profit down there. So right here, we have to run through this gap right here. We have to run through this. Okay, so we got stopped out here. I'm going to keep waiting. Like I said, I'm still short bias. So I'm going to keep waiting here. So, looks like we swept out this high. We're in a higher time frame fair value gap, which is this fair value gap right here also. This setup looks a lot cleaner, in my opinion. We have SMT between ESN and Q. We got a change of state of delivery here also. After sweeping out these highs, change of state of delivery. Inverse the fair value gap right here. Tapped it, rejected off of it. I'm going to place a longs here. I'm in a shorts here and look to target London low again. Just going to play it out. Fuck. Looks like we could lose here. Put my fuck. I'm gonna be. Okay, looks like we get stopped out here. It looks like longs here were the move. Let's play it out. I just want to see how it works out here. Oh shit! Looks like we had FOMC or some sort of news. Okay, I didn't realize we had news, but it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, no, negative AK is crazy, huh? Yes, we were chopping here. I guess I was kind of pushing it here also. I even knew that it was kind of a tricky day, but I still played it out or still traded it, which is not the best idea. I should have waited for some sort of direction. That's on me. Yeah, that's tough. Alright, let's go to the next day. Alright, let's go. Looking at the hourly. Looking at the hourly, what are we looking at? Yeah, it looks like we had news here on these days. Or yesterday. So, looking at here, where are we at? We're in a higher time frame fair value gap. We're in this hourly fair value gap. And we don't have any SMT, which is kind of unfortunate. But I am pretty long biased, and the reason why I say I'm long biased is because we're in a higher time frame fair value gap. We had no reason to dump. We had no reason to dump from Asia. So I'm pretty long biased going into the day. But the only problem I have is we don't have a change in state of delivery. So therefore, I'm kind of mixed. But I am long biased, like I said. So let's go ahead and play it out. This looks like fucking trash, honestly. But if you zoom out a little bit, we'll see. Yeah, no, I'm just playing. Okay, we're gonna play it out. So sweep out. So it looks like price swept out this low. I'm looking for some sort of market structure shift to the upside, or if we continue down, we continue down. There's nothing much I can do about that. And it looks like price tapped this order block here also. So that gives you a bit more confirmation that we could pump from here. So like I said, I'm played out. So right here, we do have a change of state of delivery here. Because this is the consecutive candles that closed below, or that swept out this liquidity. So we could look to just go and place a long here and look to target London high. So I'm just going to go and place a long here. Stop loss a little bit below this order block. Look to target higher. So let's go ahead and mark out take profits. Where can I take profit at? Potentially this fair value gap, these highs. So let's go ahead and play it out. And we do have, we don't have any SMT, which is the toughest part. We don't have any SMT to validate this switch. Wait, do we? Okay, looks like we do have SMT. Okay, so I'm just going to play it out. Let's see how this plays out. So first take profit would have been hit. I'm going ahead and take one contract off, or some contracts off here. Take half of my positions off at the side. Like I said, the RR is not great, but this is a place where price could reverse, right? So I'm going to take one off here. Kind of move my stops to break even, low key. Or, yeah, move my stops to break even here. So, like I said, we get stopped out of break even here, but it's okay because I know this is where price could reverse. Price is low, more likely to reverse from this fair value gap right here. So I'm just going to get played out. I'm going to see if we can get another entry here. Yeah, we would have got stopped out regardless. Yeah, we still have SMT here. Like I said, I'm still long bias. So looking for some sort of market structure shift to the upside here. So we do have a market structure shift to the upside, which is this high. And we do have a fair value gap here also. So I'm gonna wait. I want to see if I want to see how price reacts from this level here. Looks like we ran this through. Yeah, looks like we keep going lower. Running through this fair value gap here also. So it's more likely I will switch my bias to bearish after this level. The reason why is because we ran through this hourly fair value gap right here, and we're overall just bearish, right? So right here, we have a 5-minute fair value gap. Looking for some sort of confirmation for us to go shorts here. So we just got done sweeping out this low, right? So right here, I'm looking for a 15-minute fair value gap here to get tapped. We can tap one. Okay, looks like we don't tap one. This looks like the beginning of your market maker buy model here. Highs, generated highs. But where are we coming out from? We do have this discounted PD rate here, but I'm not really too sure yet. So I'm going to keep going for my shorts. So it looks like we swept out this high. We have SMT here also. And we are tapping a higher time frame for value gap right here, which is 15-minute imbalance. So, and we got a market structure shift to the downside. We're most likely going to go lower. I'm going to place my long position here, or my short position here. Wait, actually, that's a bad trade. I'm going to wait. See how this plays out. Like we're pushing up. We end up sweeping out. We end up re-sweeping out this high. We got to change the state of delivery here also. So if we can break past this fair value gap right here, I'll look to re-enter my shorts. Okay, if not, we end up sweeping out more highs. We're in an hourly fair value gap now here also. End up sweeping out this high. We don't have any SMT, but we did end up inversing this gap here. I'm looking for a change of state of delivery. So we ended up getting a change of state of delivery here. I'm going ahead and going to place my shorts here. Stops at this high. Yeah, I'm going to do that really quick. Let's run it. There we go. I could look to take a partial off at this fair value gap right here, because that's where price could likely to reverse. So I'm going to take a partial off here. Stops to break even. So the slow is swept. Or we could reverse here, but like I said, we're overall short bias. So we get stopped out of break even. This low was the main goal, but I took one off here at this level because we could have bounced off from this level, and we are bouncing from this level here after sweeping out this low. And as you can tell, let's see, price ended up kind of redumping back down, which is fine. I ended up taking what I can get, which is great. Took about 30 points, which is good. But like I said, decent trade. I stayed patient here around this level, which is great. So yeah, like I said, I took what I can get here and move myself to break even, because realistically, we could have came back up here. We could have re-entered, but at the same time, we're never really sure, right? We're never really sure. And I took some off at this level because this is where price could potentially bounce. But like I said, I was short biased, and this played out beautifully. And yeah, let's go and go to the next day here. Cool. If the initial model you use has like a 40% win rate, why don't you just do the opposite of that? What do you mean do the opposite? How do you get FX replay on NQ and E-mini? We go right here. Oh, you have to like, when you do FX replay, you have to like, what is it? Go here, create session, and then for the pairs, yeah, you have to type in NQ and then ES, and then that's how you get it. Thing is, like, I don't want to be that guy, but like the win rate is a lot higher than my losses. Wait, the win rate is, I win a lot more, but when I lose pretty big. I know that's a big problem, but when I do win, it's like I win a lot. Like but when I do win, I'm fuck. When I do win, I hold that shit sometimes. Okay, well, but I let my winners run, obviously. Like from that last previous trade, I let it run. Like I took a partial and I just let it run, and they got stuffed out of break even. And that's literally okay. And I was in barely any drawdown too. All right, let's go ahead and go to the next day here. What did London do? And where are we at in price? We ran through this imbalance here. We ran through this imbalance. Hourly, we're very bullish, right? We're very bullish. We have no PD eraser left that could indicate that we want to go lower. So I'm pretty bullish here until these order blocks here. And then, so right now, what I'm looking at right now is we could potentially pump. But before I watch it pump, I want to see some sort of liquidity sweep or some sort of confirmation that we want to go higher. So I'm going to go play it out. Let's see. Hold on. Let me do this really quick. I want to see price come back down to this fair value gap and then look to start to pump. But, oh my god, that looks terrible. Let's go and play it out. So this could be your Judas swing to come lower. Like I said, we are coming back down to this discounted PD array right here also, which is great. That's what I wanted to see happen. Looks like this was your Judas swing to go lower. And we have We don't have any SMT, I think. Okay, we have slight SMT here. And for me to validate this, this could be your market structure shift to the upside. So if we can get a displacement, yeah, so we got displacement through it, and we have this inverse drag up. So I'm going to wait a little bit more. So I could be like, okay, I was going to go enter here, stops at this low, and target higher. I could go like that. It could be like that, honestly. But no, there's no buts. Let's just fucking do it. Let's go here. So this, I'm pretty confident about this trade. We could look to target high of day. Let's go ahead and run it. Okay, so we get stopped out here. We chopped. We get stopped out here. Thing is here, this is the exact same model that I would be using. We're at a higher time for fair value gap. We have SMT at these lows. We got to change the state of delivery. We never got to change the state of delivery on the lower time frames. We never stopped out any sort of liquidity. We ran through all these gaps. I'm okay taking this loss. I'm going to go and stick with my long bias again still. I'm going to see if we have anything to validate us going longs again. So I'm just going to wait. Looks like we're wanting to dump. But we are tapping into this. Like I said, I'm long biased still. I'm going to keep waiting. But this looks like this could be like, okay, look, this is something. This could happen. We sweep out this high. This candle sweeps out this high. We got to change the state of delivery here, and we're obviously have very bearish order flow. We could dump. We could continue to dump, take out some sort of liquidity, and then pump. Because we go from external to internal. And look at the daily here. Daily is showing bullishness. IRL to ERL up here. So I'm gonna see how this candle plays. I'm gonna see how this plays out. We're bouncing it fairly nicely from here. Play it out here. If we right now, I'm looking for a market structure shift, and the reason why I'm looking for a market structure shift and not just like an inverse fair value gap, it's because it's just because we dumped so much. So right here, I'm waiting. So it looks like we're kind of disrespecting this level here. Let's see. Yeah, I think we're gonna go lower here to this low potentially. And the reason why I say that is because we're bearish order flow. So I'm gonna go ahead and play this out. I want to see if we come into a 5-minute gap, which we do. It looks like we swapped out this high. And we have no SMT, but this low is where I would like to target. We did get a change shade delivery here also. I'm going to wait for more structure. I'm not going to look to enter here. I'm just going to wait for more structure. Yeah, so there we go. Same thing. Sweep. We're re-sweeping this. I'm going to wait. We did inverse this gap here also. So I could look to short here. So the RR is really not worth it, but let me draw my standard deviation here. We'll go ahead and do this. Like I said, I'm not risking that much. Oh, we can put this back on. Okay, so it looks like I wanted this low. Did it get this low? It's okay. Keep playing it out, see what happens here. Looks like we come up, re-sweep out this high. We're ranging inside of this 5-minute gap here. we did get another change of state of delivery. There we go. We're starting to dump here. See what happens here. Yeah, see, we just come down to this low and lower. So my question, I need to realize this. Why did we come all the way up here and then dump? Obviously, price has a reason for doing it. And why was this entry bad? I mean, this entry could have been a lot better. But I saw this inverse. I was like, okay, look, we could dump from here. Looks like price wanted to come back up, re-sweep out this high. 5-minute order block, and then dump, and which is fine. Re-sweep. That's good. Yeah, I guess we had a 5-minute order block, but we could have easily because like once we saw this happen, we tapped this 5-minute gap order block here. We got a candle closure below. We had a candle closure below these order block. We could have dumped here, but looks like at least we know when to switch our bias, and we were chilling here. So that's great. Like I said, I'm okay taking a loss. I just knew we were going short, and it looks like I could have waited. Yeah. What is it? Okay, why don't you just back this with 6 on private calls instead of live streaming it? At least from him, you'll more constructive criticism, and me, everyone here sees it entertainment. Yeah, I know. I just don't want to waste 6's time, bro. Like honestly, like he's making moves. That's for sure. But if he ever did want to hop on a call, I can though for sure. Negative 9K. No. The reason why I'm on negative 9K because I'm kind of just clicking. It does the contracts for me, bro. It does the contracts for me. I think I lost like 2 trades, or not 2 trades. I think I lost like 4 or 5 trades in real money. Oh, in real money. I can't be saying that. I can't be saying it. It's a lot. All right, let's run it. So where are we at in price? We're at a hourly fair value gap here, but we never got a change of state of delivery here, and we did sweep out these lows. So right here, I'm gonna wait till 10 o'clock to see if we get that change of state of delivery. If not, if we don't get that change of state of delivery, I'm going shorts. So right here, I'm going shorts, and the reason why I say that is because we never got a change of state of delivery to the upside. And we're in an hourly fair value gap. Looks like we're rejecting off of it. I could look to just go short here. Tap this fair value gap. I look to target lower. I'm just going to go ahead and place my short position here. Stops at this high. Target lower. First contracts are off at these levels here. Let's go and play it out. Damn. Okay. That's tough. Hold up. I'm still short bias. Hold up. I got you guys. Hold up. Still short bias. Wow. Okay. So right here, with fair value gap, actually with displacement this time, we're kind of just slowly dumping here. Going to place my short position here. Target these lows. Hold up. Let's see. Alright, you guys didn't see shit, bro. There's no way. So. Oh, silly. Oh, fuck me. We had a 5-minute gap here. Okay, that was my bad. I should have got on the 5-minute, bro. That's on me, bro. Simple fucking mistake. That's on me. We had SMT here also. And once we got this big displacement down, change of state of delivery. Realistically, my entry would have been like right here. Stops at this high. It's all good. That was a silly mistake. That was a silly mistake. That was a silly fucking mistake. Alright. Let's go again. We swept up this low. Gotta change the state of delivery here. I'm bullish bias. Daily profiling. We came to a discounted PD array. We swept up liquidity. What did London do? London pumped. And the reason why I pumped is because we ended up coming down, swooping out. Bullish bias. So right here, I'm looking for a price to come down to a discounted PD array, which is this fair value gap, or even lower. So I'm going to wait for liquidity sweep. We have liquidity here. Price to come back down. There we go. I want a price to do exactly that. Sweep of liquidity. We have SMT at these lows. Looking for... I could honestly enter right here if I wanted to. I'm going to wait. There we go. It's already too late to enter. Sweep. We're also in a 5-minute gap. I want to see higher prices regardless. I could look to just enter here. We got an inversion fair value gap here also. We're bullish bias. We tap this order block. This looks good. Target that. And look to target higher prices. And where could we look to target? This high, these highs, and higher. So let's go ahead and play it out. There we go. Both of our take profits here would have been hit. Off. Run it. Play it out for free. Okay, there we go. There we go. Let's see how this plays out. This should pump. Yeah, see? Whoa! Oh, my back. It's simple mistakes, bro. Simple mistakes. This was a beautiful here. But technically, this wasn't even a negative trade. We didn't even hit drawdown, bro. We just pumped. We didn't even hit drawdown. We just pumped, bro. All right, let's go to the next day. That was beautiful. Yeah, we pumped. Oh, my goodness. Yeah. Oh, my gosh. Like I said, daily profiling will give you your bias, and that's your model, bro. No doubt. You are a gambler. I am a gambler. Check Discord. Okay, chill. Stop. Don't worry, I'm down 18K now. Down 18K now. Like I said, I just gotta like do a little bit more work. Like I just gotta fix some simple mistakes, bro. And I feel like I would be crazy. I don't think 6 is in here anymore. Yeah, what I did right there, I did everything right, honestly. Sometimes I'll like not wait for premium or premium. Like, people sell long in premium. Like, I get that. It's a bad thing, obviously. But it is what it is. I'm only down to 18K. And the reason why is because whenever I place order, I don't really like do the contracts wise. I just do two, like it randomly does. It's random for me. So don't trip. 6 is a goat, bro. Trust me. He's a fucking goat. Super humble. Just amazing person. But looking at here, we are in a 4-hour fair value gap. We're in a 4-hour fair value gap. At intraday, we swept out liquidity. Swept out all these highs. Or we swept out all these highs here. And we got to change the state of delivery. So, therefore, I'm pretty bearish going into the day. I'm looking to target these lows. And let's go ahead and run it. Go on the 15-minute. Where we don't really have a fair value gap here anywhere. So, I'll drop down to the 5-minute here. We have order blocks here. I'm just going to go play it out. See what happens here. Looks like we stepped out this high. Like I said, if we break above this high here, I'll be bearish. I'll be bullish. So we never broke of it. I'm still looking for shorts. And the reason why that is because we did sweep out these lows. Don't get me wrong. We did sweep out these lows. Price reacted it nicely. Never got to change the state of delivery on the hourly. So I'm not really too confident yet for long because on the higher time frame we don't have any confirmation for us to go long yet, and that's where I want to see candles print. So I'm going to go for shorts still, but I want to see a market structure shift to the downside for me to even look for shorts because as of right now we are very bullish. Or we could look for a long position, but I'm mainly looking for shorts. Right here, sweep or broke structure with displacement. I'm looking. Oh, I could have entered off of this fair value gap right here. But like I said, I'm looking for shorts again still. I'm still looking for shorts. Looking at the higher time frame. Are we in a higher time frame for value gap? Yes, we are. We're in a 15-minute fair value gap right here. We ended up sweeping out this high. We broke structure to the downside with displacement. We have displacement right here. For me to be more confident in this trade, I want to see us run through this gap right here. So right here, we just ran through this gap right here. I'm going to keep waiting. There we go. Big displacement. Ran through this gap. I'm going to wait. I wanted to just enter off here, but... Okay. What? What are you doing? No, go sister. Go sister, okay? Yeah, bro, I should have just entered here. It stops like right here. And target these lows. That was what I was like I kind of paused for a second. I was like, oh fuck, do I enter here? But the reason why I was so skeptical is because we had just came. I wanted to see. I don't know. I should have just entered here. Realistically, there's no buts. I should have just entered here. Yeah, we should dump. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, we pumped right after we pumped lunch session here, but it says shorts here with a move. There's nothing much I can do about that. Like nothing much I can do about that here. Let's go next day. It's like I can envision it. I can see it on my chart. I just don't know why I can't click the button, bro. But let's go here. Looks like we don't have any. Oh, wait, I lied. We're bullish, and the reason why I say that we're bullish is because London swept out this low, and we have a fair value gap here also. I want to see if we have any SMT. If we have SMT, this look a lot better. We have SMT between ES and NQ. And we got to change the state of delivery here on the hourly. So I'm pretty bullish going into the day. No, Palmy! No, 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 no! 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 Come on, let's go, 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 go. What are you doing? Here, go, yeah. Take your shake. Take it, take it. Take it. Okay, stop. All right. Gosh, dang. Okay. Market opens up here. Let's go and play it out. See what happens. See, like I said, longs were the move so far. We got a market structure shift to the upside. We tap this fair value gap here also. If we can break above this, yeah. So I'll just go ahead and enter my longs here. Okay, go. Thank you, silly girl. Just gonna play it out. Oh shit. Oh my god. Okay. Hold up. Hold up. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. There we go. Gosh damn it. Gosh damn it. Ah! Oh my gosh, bro. Ah, fuck. Like, this is what I like to do. Like, once price taps this order block, or once price taps the fair value gap, and we run through this order block, like right here, we ran through it. I wanted to enter stops at this low, or stops right here, bro. Gosh damn it. I knew we were coming up here. I'm gonna wait. Like right here, we stopped at the slow. I know we are. Actually, we stopped at this low here. We stopped at the slow. And once we did that, we got to change the state of delivery. We inverse this gap. This longs here don't look bad. And we're not really coming out of a higher time frame PD array. Except for those rejection blocks. But hourly, we are... Wait, actually, I lied. I'm looking at this now. Rejection block. Change the state of delivery to the downside. Because we swept out this. We got to change the state of delivery. I'm looking for shorts. I'm looking for shorts. Or am I tripped out? Or am I tripping? I'm looking for shorts. Waiting for an opportunity to set up for me. Here we go. This is the order. This is your order block. Ran through this 5-minute imbalance. Taps this imbalance here. Okay, going ahead into my shorts here. Look at the target lower. And I want to see if we have any SMT here. We have SMT here between ESN and Q. Place my order. Market. Come on, don't let me down now. Fuck! What? Huh. Let's see. Okay. Oh, bro. Not looking too worried yet. This could have been your soup area. I changed state of delivery. Inverse gap. We have SMT at these highs. I'll give today's one more shot. Obviously, I want to target lower, but I want to look at the hourly here. Yeah, we'll go for it. Yeah, shit's tough. Shit's tough. Oh, longs were the move, bro. I saw this. I wasn't sure. Oh fuck! Hold up. Hold up. You need to go pee? All right, hold on. I'll be right back. My sister needs to pee. But okay, go bathroom. Go bathroom. Go bathroom. Go bathroom. Okay. 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 Let's go. Come on, let's go. All right, we're back. No. The reason why Okay, whatever. Fuck it. We'll go next day. I gotta drink water, bro. I did not trade Friday. What's the question? Oh, answer the call. Oh, sorry, my bad. I don't. My thing is. Hold up. Let me put on my headphones real quick. 6 is coming in here. Woo! Give me a second. Give me a second. Oh shit! Hold up. Hello. Oh wait, can you hear me? Hold on. I think I gotta change my microphone. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, bro, that's absolutely ridiculous. That's insane.
What?
Bro, you went on like 6 or 7 losses in a row.
Yeah, I know. I saw. So that last trade, I saw that CISD that we had after swooping that low, but you're right. I saw that. Wait, let me show you my screen real quick. Let's see.
Oh
Let's see.
yeah.
Let's see. Let's
I'm
see.
on low battery charger. I'm probably gonna be on for like a few minutes, but
I got you. I got you. Yeah, no worries. So like right here, I saw that we swept out this low, and then once we did that, we got to change the state of delivery up here. But then I still longed, or I still shorted. I don't know. Do you think that was a bad trade? Right? You saw that. You saw that. Do you think it was a bad trade? Wait, what trade was it?
I gotta be honest, I actually came on late to begin with. And
Late? What do you mean?
did you did you even check the higher time frame, like the daily or weekly?
I did not.
Man,
It was right here.
you see, like I'm not doubting the fact that you can't trade without a bias. Like I'm pretty sure there's people out there that can trade without a bias. I know a
Right.
few of them, but the thing is, like the way that you're going about it, bro, is that you're. And don't get me wrong, like these patterns, like the fair value gap, the breaker, the order block, and whatnot, they're still considered as chart patterns. But what makes them actually work, what actually adds validity to those patterns, is actually having a solid bias and a narrative, surrounding the actual trade idea that you have, right? Realistically speaking, if you have a solid bias and narrative, you can make anything work. Hmm?
Right.
So
Correct.
essentially, what I'm trying to tell you, bro, is uh, I'm not saying don't use the M1 or the lower time frame. I'm saying these lower time frames, the efficacy of them, they start to decrease the more you begin to neglect the higher time frame. Because I don't think once, and I'm pretty sure the guys in the chat can also, they probably want, they probably say the same thing too. But I don't think you've even went above the H4 within this entire stream.
I didn't. I didn't. Because if I know where, if I have, so if I just look at daily profiling, right? If I see, it kind of already gives me my bias, right, towards the existing drawn liquidity. Yeah, maybe I could go on like the H4 or the daily or even the weekly to look where price is more likely to go to, and then
I mean, yeah, no doubt. But the thing is, like, are you still just trading the silver bullet?
no.
Okay, so you're pretty much trading the AM trend as a whole, right?
I try. Obviously, yeah, I try to. Yeah.
Yeah. So my thing will be this: it's like for a few weeks, just try to play around with just the higher time frame alone, because from that entire live stream alone, that well, not the entire thing. I only saw like a few trades, but you've literally been entering off of the most random places. Like you're trying to buy in a premium, you're trying to sell in a discount, and you're taking trades literally at the equilibrium of a consolidation. And then you get chopped up, and then you get confused as to why this is happening. Number one, you suck at profiling. You suck at. No, no, no,
Yeah,
no,
yeah, yeah.
bro. No, no, listen, listen, listen. This isn't funny because you've already lost enough money. This is actually serious, and I'd advise you, as somebody that's been around longer than you, I'd advise you to actually start taking your trading seriously. Because realistically speaking, like these guys in the live stream, like don't get me wrong, I'm not doubting the fact that they have good intentions, but bro, they're just clowning on you, bro. They're using this for like look, this serves the purpose of the entertainment for us. You know what I mean?
Right.
So it's like you gotta start taking trading seriously, bro. And I remember I had that conversation with you privately, and actually, you know what? I'm not gonna spill the beans on the
Yeah,
live
yeah.
stream because some things are. But bro, like you have parents that are getting older. You have to take care of them at some point. You can't just be a trader that's constantly losing trades day in and day out. Like realistically speaking, bro, like think about it this way: how many non-farm payrolls are you gonna let go by, where it's like you're not even making a profit for that entire month, and then the next first Friday for the calendar month comes, you're still not making money. The next Friday of the next calendar month comes, you're still not making money. So, like, bro, you gotta do something, bro. And if you're not gonna take this advice from me, okay, fine, fair enough. I'm probably not, the best person to take advice from. I'm still learning as I go. I'm still young. I'm only
Yeah, yeah.
22. But realistically speaking, bro, you have to, you know. And I'm not saying stop doing YouTube or stop doing live stream, but bro, like at least put in like 4 to 6 hours a day on just the FX replay alone. Forget the lower time frame, play around with the higher time frame, play around with the 4 hour, play around with the daily, right? Because the shorter term time frames, essentially where you're gonna find your short term directional premise from for the weekly range, that's gonna directly transpose or transfer over to the daily range, right? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then if you just line that up with a high impact or medium impact news event day where you think you're going to get a nice profile from the intraday standpoint, then that's the day that you can trade. That's the day that you can actually pull the trigger. And realistically speaking, you don't need many of those days out of the entire month. You only need like three or four, and you can easily make 5% from that alone.
Okay. So, like, I see where you're coming from, but if I was to go on the daily or even the like, what if the drawn liquidity on the higher time from like the daily or the weekly is it aligning with the daily profiling that I'm doing?
Then you're just gonna take a loss. That's it. There's really nothing more to do after that. Because, bro, look, here's one thing that I can tell you're trying to do. You're trying to avoid losing. That's literally impossible. All right. So
Yeah,
you
yeah,
just have to. You don't have to be right all the time. You just have to be right most of the time. Most of the time being more like, let's say for example, you take 20 trades, right? You just have to be right at least 10 times or more than that, right? So if I was you, bro, I'd suggest going through core content if you have access to the 2018 or 2019 commentaries from the private mentorship. It's all leaked anyways. It's all on
right,
Telegram.
right.
Like if you go on these Telegram channels, you can probably find them. Watch those because that's when he actually gave the sauce for higher time frame and short term bias. Most of it you're gonna find it on core content anyways. Weekly range templates, it's on core content. 2021 and 2020 commentaries, that's when he taught some new stuff like how to what's it called? How to cut through candles. He taught that. So yeah, like go through these videos. Like they're there. It's all accessible for free.
That's true. Because I'll learn like the most basic shit and then try to implement it on the chart. I do see where you're coming from. Like I'll learn like the most basic shit. Cause obviously I thought daily profiling was gonna help me, and I think it did help me a little bit.
You
It
want to know what? Like, and look, I'll even throw this in there, right? If you don't see yourself improving with these concepts alone, then it might be time to drop these concepts. Like, you can trade with so many other things. You
that,
don't need to trade with the ICT concepts, right? Because realistically speaking, if you want to go through the entire library, it's probably going to take you a long time, right? So
true, true.
in the midst of that, if you want to use other stuff, I mean, go for it, because there's probably something out there that's not related to these concepts that might work a bit better in your favor, and you can probably use that to get funded. Because realistically speaking, I don't really think it's your strategy. I don't really think it's well. It does have
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
somewhat theory and stuff. But the thing is, another thing, right? Your risk management is absolutely terrible. Like you cannot manage money for shit.
Okay.
And the reason why I say this is because you tend to take like three, four, well, not really three or four, but you take more than three setups a day sometimes. And that's when you go on a tilt. And that's when you pretty much have one of the bigger losing days. And obviously this is me judging from
Yeah, yeah, from like
your
just
videos that you've made. So yeah, that's just my advice, man. Like I look, like nobody can really help you in this instance. Like nobody in the chat can help you. Nobody in the Discord can help you. You have to figure it out on your own.
yeah, I
And
completely agree.
I'm just saying, bro, I would advise you to at least try to at least take this a bit more seriously, because this is obviously a niche. This is a career path, right? So if you want to make it on your own terms, I suggest at least try to put your head down for a few months and just try to learn and try to make your own model or your own systematic edge when it comes to finding a bias, building a narrative, uh, the framework that you require prior to actually pressing the button. All these things you have to take them into account, and obviously you have to go through. Well, you don't have to do it if you don't want to, but the 2022 mentorship, it's good and all, but I don't think it has, you know, the pieces that most people need, because it's missing a lot of things in my opinion, especially when it comes to finding a bias. Because realistically speaking, when he teaches bias, he's very, how do I say this? It's very discretionary, right? There's really no, how do I explain this? There's really no rule based approach for it.
Like, there's no way to find.
No,
It's
no, no. You can
experience.
you can be uh on the right side of the market almost every day, but I'm just saying you can't really build a rule based approach on how to find a directional premise. I don't have a rule based way of actually doing it. It's not systematic. It's all a discretionary.
Right, right, right. So there's not really a a step by step. You kind of just
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. It's
And
not so,
that's why I'm saying like you kind of have to figure it out on your own. And to actually do that, like you just have to put your head down and start backtesting on a daily basis. Obviously, live trading is going to help you out a lot because you're in live market conditions.
right.
And the second most important thing to that would be to actually journal these things, save it somewhere, whether it be on like a Notion. Like there's so many platforms out there that you can use to journal,
That's true. Yep.
and that would be my advice to you, bro. Like I don't really have anything else to say because realistically speaking, you can't teach discretion. It's literally impossible.
Right, right. It's experience. It's just
Yeah, but
yeah, it's
here's the issue,
experience.
though. It's like, but here's the issue, though. Like you're not taking it seriously. That's the main problem.
I feel like I am taking it seriously. I just
No, you're not.
I laugh
No,
it
listen,
off, bro.
listen. If you were taking it seriously, you would have been profitable by now, but you're not.
You're right.
But
I
yeah, bro. I mean, do what you will with that information. I mean,
no. Obviously, I'm gonna take it to fucking heart. Obviously, because it's coming from like a friend, like a genuine friend. You know. I gotta like. So, what do you think I'm like lacking? You know that I know like all these concepts.
bro, I can't answer those questions for you. Like, obviously, from what I've seen, it's mainly directional bias and narrative. Because realistically speaking, if because you really have two options to choose from, either the market's going to go higher or lower, and you obviously find your draw on liquidity based off of that. Is it going to be right above the current market price or right below it? That's all there is to it. But obviously, there's a bunch of stuff that goes into actually, finding that draw on liquidity, right? So that is something that you're going to have to go out on your own and actually test, right? I
Right.
can't help you with that. You can't look. You're not going to learn directional bias from just a YouTube video. So if I was you, and look, even if you don't want to go on the higher time frame, like the daily or weekly, I mean, I guess you can make it work with like the H1, uh, right? But
Right.
that's probably the lowest I'd go. But even then, you're just making things harder for yourself, and it would be much easier if you were to just focus on the higher time frame. But listen, bro, like it's all love.
Of course,
No,
of course, of course.
I'm not here to make fun of you, but like I just advise you to actually start taking this a bit more seriously. That's about it.
Yeah, no, I got you.
And honestly, like even going back to what I said previously, if you should probably set a what's it called? Set somewhat of like a deadline for yourself, where it's like if you don't hit a certain goal within the next quarter or by the end of the year, don't be scared to
Call it.
no, like try to experiment with different concepts, right? I know people that use level 2 data, like they dropped the ICT stuff completely, and now they're using like footprints, the VWAP, the what's it
Book
called,
map.
volume profile, all that stuff. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
They dropped the ICT concepts entirely, and they moved on to volume trading, and they found success in that. So who knows? Like maybe this just isn't the trading methodology that's going to work out for you. Look, just because everyone else is trading with these concepts, like it doesn't mean you have to as well, right?
Correct, correct. Yeah, yeah. It's like something that like I've saw progress with. I think
But
that's
then
why.
again, but then again, just remember that's like a last resort.
That's true. Because like last week I took all green days, bro, and I think that's what made my cocky like cockiness confidence go up. I like I won all trades last week, and I was like, okay, and
I mean,
all
that's more of a psychology thing because realistically speaking, whether look if it's a loss, you should probably do your best to forget that it even happened in the first place.
yeah,
If
yeah,
it's a win, you should try to forget it even quicker and just move on to the next setup. Like it's nothing more because realistically speaking, look, these streaks where you're gonna go on like a win streak, it happens to everybody. Even the people out there that have like a hit rate less than 30%, even those guys have like 3 4 5 trade streaks where they have uh, winners back to back. It happens to everybody. So just keep in mind, just based off of um, and this is where journaling is actually important because I don't know if you remember, but do you remember the video you made a few weeks ago about the combine, the
E-
one where hold on, let me try
I
to find the title.
think so. I'm not sure.
Um, give me a second. It's the one that you uploaded 2 weeks ago.
Let's see, let's see.
I can't really remember the name. Actually, you know what? Let me just search it up. How do not trade
Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
your emotion slash USD, that one.
Yeah, yeah, I remember. Yeah,
Yeah. So my thing is this, right? It's like, well, if you're on a win streak, like try not to take it too seriously. Like obviously, yeah, you probably made a lot of money, but that money, you know,
real.
it's not realized profits until it actually hits your bank account. Because you can't withdraw money from a challenge account. I'm pretty sure you know that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So yeah, I mean, I can't really advise you on anything else. Like that, that would be how I would personally go about it. But then again, like it's all up to you, bro. And look, even if like if what I had just suggested right now, if it doesn't work out, then look, there's so many different ways that you can go about making money, especially on your own terms, right? So it might not have to be trading. You can do so many things. Like I have a friend from high school. He does what's it called? The Amazon shit,
Yeah, yeah,
the FBA thing.
yeah.
Yeah, he makes money through that, and he's making like 15 20K a month. He's doing pretty good for himself. I have two other friends. They run a car detailing service. They're doing pretty well for themselves. There's so many things you could do, bro. So maybe trading might not be it. But then again, that's for you to figure out. I'm just saying for the next few months, at least try to take things a bit more seriously.
Correct, correct. Damn, bro. Because I I want obviously I want trading to work out. I mean that's something I've been doing for 2 years. I want it to work out. You know what I mean? And maybe it's just I don't know if it's just like have a dog mindset to the point where like if I do it, then I have to succeed in it. I don't know if it's just that.
Yeah, I mean, look, if you want to pursue trading, then pursue trading. But I'm just saying, there's a
Yeah,
point in
yeah, yeah,
time
yeah.
you have to be real with yourself.
Right.
Like, you don't just want to throw away a decade of your life to this just to come out of the opposing end with thousands and thousands of dollars that were just wasted on challenges.
Correct. Yeah, that's why I kind of take a little break from like last week. I took a break. Um, with streaming, I
I
took.
don't look, bro. I have faith in you, and I honestly think that you can pull through this. Uh, the only reason why I'm being harsh, and I don't know if I'm being harsh or not, and if I am, then I sincerely want to say that I'm sorry.
No, no,
But
no,
the
you're good.
thing is, bro, you have to start taking this a bit more seriously, bro. This isn't a game. This isn't, you know, this niche, right? It's not like you're clocking into a 9 to 5. It's something completely different. It's something that you have to figure out on your own terms. There's nobody that's gonna come to save you. You have to actually put in the hours behind the charts. You have to journal, and if you do happen to take a loss, then try not to take it too seriously. Use those losses as an insight, journal them, and see how you can avoid taking those losses next time. That's where I saw the most improvement in my trading.
So write it down and see where.
N- yeah, so like if you prefer like the traditional method of journaling, which is like a pen and paper,
Yeah,
do
I feel.
that. If you wanna have like a Google document or like a Notion, there's so many like websites out there that um, offer these services for journaling. You can pick whichever one you prefer, and you can journal through there.
I got you. I feel like I'm gonna start doing pen and paper instead because I feel like it's
I mean,
works
yeah,
better for me,
do that, but
honestly.
also, yeah, do that, but also try to like save your charts too.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, I got you. Yeah, I'll probably just do it on Notion then, or some shit. If I did.
That's probably one of the easiest way to see if somebody's taking trading seriously or not. It's to ask them if they journal, and if the answer is no, then it's pretty obvious.
Right, I got you.
But yeah, bro. Listen, I'm. It's getting pretty late now. I gotta head out to bed.
No, I
But
got you,
yeah,
bro.
just if I had said anything that offended you, I apologize.
No, bro, you're good, bro. Like, I,
But yeah, I'm just giving you some genuine advice. I'm not, uh, bro. I only have 2 years on you. I'm only 2 years older than you. I'm just giving you some genuine advice. If I can rewind the clocks back, uh, 2 years or even 3 years, this is what I would have told myself. Because look, I'll actually give you a list, right? So if you have a pen and paper, just try to write these things
yeah,
down.
I got you. Yeah, I have
First
one
things
right now.
first. First things first, which is probably the most important, is to actually journal your trades.
Right.
What you're taking, based off of what criteria is, how you found your drawn liquidity, how you found your narrative, the risk parameters. You can play around with that. Obviously, right now, uh, judging by where you are, try to be a bit more conservative with your risk, right? And besides that, man, just play around with the higher time frame. Spend more time on the higher time frame than you do on the lower time frame. I think that's because when I was first starting off with these concepts, I had a fear of the higher time frame. Like I didn't want to touch them whatsoever. But uh, I'll be honest, it's like day trading. I'm not gonna say it's impossible, but it kind of is.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's
Without not touching the H4, the daily, the weekly, the monthly, etc. So
when
yeah,
you
I
when you,
mean,
when you mean touch like the higher time frame, you mean like take a trade off the higher time frame, or you
no, no,
meant
no.
like just.
I mean like I'd never look at the higher time frame. Like I'd never look at it
Okay, I got you. Let me write that.
because before I used to just trade with like moving averages,
Yeah, yeah.
Bollinger Bands, etc. It was like a very systematic strategy, but I ended up dropping it. But yeah, but that's my advice to you, bro. Anyways, listen, I gotta head out. You take care of yourself,
You
and
too, brother. Like I said, you don't. you're not gonna offend me, bro. We're friends, bro. I'm not. I like. It's always a good thing to have friends that give you the hard shit. You know what I mean? So I appreciate you, bro.
Yeah, for sure. No problem. All right, bro. Take care.
I take care, brother, man. Damn. I honestly thought on some real shit, W friend. Yeah, so I'm saying like, him ever giving me shit is always like a good thing. You know what I mean? He's a very genuine guy, W guy, genuine, super friendly. Um, Voice is deep as fuck. Um, but that has nothing to do with anything. No, I'm just still kind of recovering from my sickness. I'm not crying. I'm not crying. I'm not crying. But yeah, W advice. You're right. I need to start journaling, bro. Hold on, let me see. I don't know if you guys can see my screen. I need to start journaling. It's like I think in my cockiness, at the same time, I don't even realize it too. You know what I mean? Like it's just. Okay, wait. Do I click on for personal use? Habit tracking, career building. Um, Continue. Getting started. Okay. We'll trade and journal at the same time. Just take it slow. I feel like I could be rushing it, and I feel like I could be doing a little bit too much. But someone said, "Why the fuck are you so damn stupid, retarded, in your little goofy, stupid monkey brain, and always not listen to us? We tell you what you're doing wrong at this point. Hold up." Up in voice chat. Yeah, I think my psychology is good. It's just, or it could be better. Obviously, anything could be better. It's just my model. I think that's what I was lacking. Just buying a discount, buying and selling in premium, and let's see. Okay, let's run it because I thought daily profiling was helping me a lot more. Let me take off my headphones. I thought daily profiling was helping me. Um, let's see. Let's take one trade really quick, and I'm gonna see if this journal thing works. How the fuck do I do it? Oh, just click anywhere, start typing. All right, okay, we'll do that. Okay, so I wanna. Okay, so looking at the higher time frame, daily, weekly here. We're in this weekly fair value gap, and we go from ERL to IRL to IRL to ERL. So we could dump to this fair value gap and then push back up to up here. But as of right now, it looks like we're rejecting off of this fair value gap right here. Daily, yeah, looks like we're rejecting off of it. Thursday's expansion, and yeah, so I'm potentially looking for shorts, but what does it look like? It looks like we swept out this high, this buy side liquidity. We got to change the state of delivery here. And I want to see if we have any SMT between ES and EQ. Okay, yeah, we do. It's all the way up here. Or down here. So I'm pretty short bias. And like I said, my weekly draw could be here. But like I said, if we lose or win, I'm just gonna start trying to journal here. Looks like we just gotta sweep out these lows, and we could go up higher to retrace. So let's see here. Drawing your fib, the dealing range. Excuse me. Which is this discounted, this premium PD array right here. I want to see price come up to this PD array or this PD array right here alone. So let's go ahead and play it out. So this PD array was tapped. So now what I'm looking for is a model. And a model could be so many things, bro. Like, I'm bearish. Hold on, let's just play it out. Let's just see how it works. Right here, we swept up this high. We have SMT here. We got a change of state of delivery here also. And we inverse this gap. And we're also at 10 a.m. silver bullet. So I could look right here. Target lower. Let's see what happens. Regardless if I lose or not, I'm looking at partial at these lows. And potentially CE of this fair value gap right here. So yeah, let's go ahead and play it out. Okay, loss. What a fucking surprise. Let's go ahead and journal this. Hold up, go right here. Click anywhere. Oh, wait, what? I'll just get rid of this. Okay. Journal. Oh wait. How the fuck do I do this? Hold up. Let's go templates really quick. Hold up. Let's go here. Okay, let's go. There we go. And then be like, what did I do wrong here? I felt like everything was there. We had SMT, higher time frame fair value gap, and CISD, and inversion fair value gap. Fair value gap. Okay, let's play it out. I want to see what it looks like before and after here. Let's see. Okay, so looks like shorts here were the potential move, but maybe screen short of this. What I did right here. Wrong here. Drawing your fib. Price was in this Can TikTok let me see it? Price was in this premium fair value gap, but was never above the 50% mark as deep premium. We ended up coming back up to this higher time frame, 1 hour bearish fair value gap, but we and then we dumped massively towards our level. What could I have done better here? What could I have done better here? Be real. OTE, fair enough. What could I have done better here? Potential OTE. We tapped also another higher time frame fair value gap. And we were also above the 50% mark of the range, but never got a CISD to the upside, so we didn't have to worry about it. Let's see. And then New York, 12 p.m. reversal. 12 p.m. reversal. All right. Let's go again. I mean, I knew we were coming. I knew we were bearish, but we decided to come back all the way up here. And we went from ERL to IRL, but we decided to come up to this level here, which is fine. I mean, there's nothing I can't do much about that. But I feel like, if I'm being completely honest, I feel like I would have taken a trade here somewhere else after the sweep. Maybe I probably would have traded like here, probably. But I usually like to wait for a reaction after the fair value gap is tapped, anyways. So, I mean, shit, that's tough. All right, let's go to the next day here. Go to the hourly, 4 hour here. We went from ERL to, we're going to probably this fair value gap right here. IRL. That's my draw. And looking at the daily profiling. Oh, what the heck? Oh, so like I said, we did come down to this. So I'm pretty bullish overall. We did have the sweep. I'm looking for a change of state of delivery here. Let's go here. We have SMT here. Yeah, we have SMT here. So right here, I'm looking for a change in state of delivery, so I'm probably going to wait till 10 o'clock until this candle closes above this high. So let's go ahead and play it out. Okay, so we ended up not getting a change of state of delivery to the upside, so I'm going to switch my bias to bearish. I'm looking for bearish setups, and I'm going to draw my Fibonacci tool from here to here. And this is the premium fair value gap. So I'm looking for price to come up to this fair value gap here, and then I'll be looking for shorts. So we go. We tapped, we went above it, and I'm looking for shorts now. Let's see. We re-sweep out this high. Keep playing it out. Do we have an hourly fair value gap? No, we don't. Like I said, I'm still shorts. We tap this fair value gap up here. We sweep. Now, I'm going to wait. We inverse all of these gaps. Inverse all of these bullish fair value gaps here. Dealing range. I'll be shorting in discount. And we do have a fair value gap up here. So I want to see price come up here. Broke above it. We ended up sweeping out this high one more time. Beautiful. Now, do we just short here? And look to short? We did tap the order block. We did sweep out this liquidity. I'm looking for. Let me see for SMT. We have SMT divergence between ES and Q. I'll go and give this a try and see how this plays out. Okay, I would have taken a partial at this low here. Break even. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. Good trade overall. I'm going to ask myself what I did right here. What did I do right here? Go here. Fuck. New trade. There we go. Ask myself what I did right here. I waited. I waited. Hold up. I waited. I was initially bullish at first, but the only reason why I said that was because if we have had a CIC on the hourly, I would have been bullish. But since we didn't, I switched my bias to bearish. Waited till 10 p.m. or 10 a.m. before trading. And then we had a few sweeps. Was tempted to enter shorts. But is it in a macro? Oh no, it's not in a macro. Wait, 950 to 10? No, this wasn't in a macro. We had a few sweeps, but was tempted to enter shorts. I was looking at enter shorts here. Enter shorts at the first initial move, but then realized I would be shorting in discount. Don't fucking do that shit. And then we ended up coming back up, sweeping out the initial high with a fair value gap to the left. And then what happened here? Change of state of delivery and also inversion fair value gap. Once we swept, inverse fair value gap plus CISD on the 1 minute and then entered. good trade overall. What I did wrong. I mean, not being paid. Looking to even. I don't know what I did wrong here. I mean, I did everything right. I don't know if it's just me cocky, but like I took a partial that was wrong. I mean, obviously, I want to keep taking partials. Partials is a good thing. I mean, we could have easily bounced up from here. Could have swing a little bit better. I don't know. I did wrong. I don't necessarily think I did anything wrong here. Someone in chat said taking partials, but I always take partials. Partials where I think price can potentially go back up. I think I did everything good here. TBH. You call me obsessed. It's not your fault that they hovered. I mean, no disrespect. It's like. Alright, hold on. I gotta pee real quick. I actually have to pee, bro. Yeah, we ended up just kept dumping down, bro. Wait, did we? Yeah, we ended up just dumping still. Okay. All good. Alright, I'll be right back. I gotta use the restroom. Give me like a minute. I'll be right back. I still get jealous. Sorry, I'm back. Okay, let's go again. Run it back. Run it back. Let me get a sip of my water. I'm not gonna buy funded yet. Okay, let's go back. What do we do here? Looking at the 4 hour. Where's my draw liquidity? After this could be your draw. So now, what does it look like? Accumulation. I'm looking for a Judas swing to this fair value gap and then dump. I know this is my draw. We're obviously not going anywhere. We're in this hourly fair value gap here. And we have SMT between ES and EQ here also. So now I'm looking for potential longs to this fair value gap up here because this is where the draw liquidity on the higher time frame is most likely going to. But we're chopping here. So right now I'm just going to wait. Wait, is this on a... Wait, is... Wait. January 25. 20. Wait, what? February 20. Wait, what? What the fuck? Hold up. Monday, February 20th. Okay, it's opened. Okay. So, let's see. This is tricky. I'm like low-key kind of lost right now. I'm still bullish. Let's go ahead and sweep out this. And yeah, let's keep playing it out. We have SMT divergence between ES and AQ now. Okay, I think we had news. I think we had something this day, bro. These candles look different. I'm just going to a different day. All right, let's go again. What did London do? London pushed us down to sweep out these lows. And are we in a higher time frame fair value gap? Yes, we are. We're in this 4-hour fair value gap, but order flow is very bearish. And if looking at the 4-hour here, this is still my draw. We ended up coming down, sweeping out these lows here also. I'm going to wait until 10 o'clock. Because right here, I could go either bullish or bearish. And if we get a change of state of delivery, here that'd be nice. So we never got a change of state of delivery. So I'm going to be looking for short setups. Looking for potential shorts. Drawing my Fibonacci tool from here to here. Looking for equilibrium of this range. And it looks like we did sweep out some sort of high here. And I want to see if we have any SMT divergence. I still get jealous. You're too sexy, beautiful. So we keep dumping here, right? We're just dumping still. I am bearish. Looks like we have a bearish fair value up here, but if we draw our dealing range from here to here, it's not in here. So I can't be taking these short setups. There we go. Because this is the last or dealing range here to here. So I could be looking to take off this order block here and enter off this order block. I'll look at it later. I'll look at it later. No, I'll look at it later. I'll do something. I'll look at it later. Hold up. Sorry, my mom was in my room. Would have caught that dump no cap. Yeah, probably. We'll see. Like I said, I can't enter anything until we're in premium. Yeah, obviously we're not coming to premium. That's where I get like confused as fuck, right? Because we're not coming back to premium, but we're dumping. And I could have honestly caught this if I would have just entered off this fair value gap right here, potentially, and then look for the dump. But then if I draw my dealing range here to here, we're not tapping premium at all. So that's why like I'm like kind of mixed. Like I could have caught this, and sometimes I'll end up entering a discount, and like you know what I mean. So it's like I don't know, because we keep making lows. We keep making lows, and yeah, this is our new dealing range here. If price comes up to this discounted PDA right here, order block here, I'll look to enter. See, this is where I get confused. Like we don't tap it. We're just dumping, right? We're not getting. I could have honestly entered probably at these like 5-minute gaps right here, but this wasn't. This would have been in discount or in premium, so that's where I get confused. Like a Discord. When there's no entry, when it's straight expanded, there's no entry. Right. The thing is, you're right. Cause like that's where I get fucked up. Like I'll keep looking for re-entry, then I'll keep switching up stuff. Right. I'll be entering, like you're right. I should need to stick with one entry. But like there's no entry here. But I could have honestly taken something here. Yeah, see how we're making new lows, but we're not even coming back up to like premium. So that's where I get fucked up, and I'll like enter off in discount and shit like that. Are you down 30%? No, because I just click on place order and it does it randomly for me. Call me on Discord. I want to show you easy way to journal. I'll probably do it like after the stream. I don't want to. If I don't know you, like I just can't call you on stream just in case like you say some stupid shit. You know what I mean? I'm FOMO replay because I want to get it right. You know what I mean? All right, let's see. We're in a discounted PD array here on the 4-hour. Discounted PD array. We got a change of state of delivery on the hourly. I'm realistically looking for longs. And I know that we are tapping into this fair value up here, but where does the weekly want to take us to the draw? So I wanted to see the draw here. So I'm going to wait till 10 o'clock. I'm going to wait till 10 o'clock. So let's play this out, wait till 10 o'clock, and then look. Okay, so 10 o'clock happens here. We don't get a CISD to the upside, to the downside, so I'm looking for long still. Looking for long still. Oh, shit. Okay. Like I said, I'm still looking for longs. Let's see. Okay, so obviously we want to go lower, right? This is the draw, but we never got to change the state delivery to the downside, so I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, see, not even a change of state of delivery here. So, but we did get a market structure shift to the upside here with displacement. Looking for price to come back down. To a 5-minute gap, or let's go on the 15-minute here. This fair value gap right here in the 15-minute, right here, it is in discount. Let's go here. We're here, we're in discount. I could enter here and it stops at this low or this low and target higher. That could be a possibility. And we did sweep out this liquidity here also, and we never got a change state delivered to the downside. So longs here don't look terrible, but we did displace above this inverse, below this inverse fair value gap. I'm just gonna take it and then journal it and see what. I'm just gonna take it and journal it. It's fuck it. It's fine. Do we have SMT on the higher time frame? Oh, we do. We have major SMT here. So I'll probably just go ahead and take it right here. We're in a higher time frame fair value gap. Let me see. Oh, fuck. Okay, never mind. I lied. We're not even in discount. This is still in premium. Actually, I'm going to wait. I learned my lesson. Wait. Just wait. Just wait. Regardless if it goes up or not. Just wait. Okay. So here, it would have played out perfectly. I mean, realistically, it would have played out perfectly. I was going to enter here. Sauce at this low. It would have played out perfectly. But I realized it wasn't even in discount of the range. Because the range at the time was like here. And we never tapped discount. So that's where I'll fuck up. Like, it's not even, bro. It's all good. That's close enough. Close enough, but like, is it at it though? That's what I'm saying. And we're below midnight and everything else. So it's like, that even in a range. No, this range right here, from the low to the high. Alright, let's go to the next day. I would have caught it, but I was just, I don't even know. Alright, let's go again. CISD. We tapped this hourly, we tapped this discounted PD array. We got to change the state of delivery here. I'm looking for longs, right? I'm looking. Wait, I was on the wrong time frame. Fuck me. All right, right here, hourly PD array or discounted PD array. From here to here at the time, price tapped this hourly PD array, pushed up. Got to change the state of delivery here. Boom. Looking to target these highs and higher. So drop down to 15-minute. I want to see price come back down to probably like discount or this order block here, and then dump and then pump. Just gonna play it out. There we go. We ended up dumping. Let's keep playing it out here. Notice that we came down to OTE level and this order block here. So I'm looking for potential longs. We got a CISD. We have SMT at these lows. Like, we could enter here. This would be a change state delivery in like. But if I draw my fit from here to here, we're not even in discount, so I'm going to wait. Now I would enter. Honestly, we tapped 50% mark. I would enter here now. Let's give this a try. Okay. Let's play it out. Wow, it went the opposite way. That's tough. Okay, hold up. Let me journal this trade really quick. That's tough. Hold up, let's go again. Fuck. Come on, Q. Should be fucking easy, bro. What I did right here. What did I do right here? We had SMT, CISD, and then a 2-minute fair value gap. That price ended up coming back down, tapping discount of it, and getting a nice reaction off of it. And then I entered. Got stopped out. And it went the complete opposite direction. I waited for everything was aligned here. Everything was aligned here. We had a price coming out of a higher time frame fair value gap, 4 hour, and then we had an 1 hour CISD to the upside, drawing your fib here, fib on the 15-minute dealing range. We respected 50% mark and OTE level without closing a body below. And then it tricked us into going higher. What I could have done better here. What could I have done better here? Looking at this chart, or let me screenshot this really quick. What could I have done better here? Was there a reason for us to dump? Not really. Oh, wait. We tapped our daily fair value gap. Damn. Okay, we tapped a daily fair value gap. Looking at the daily, we had no reason to pump. Except for this order block. Looking at the daily time frame, we had a daily fair value gap. Look at the daily time frame. We had a daily fair value gap that we had tapped into. But looking at the lower time frames, there was no reason that we didn't tap anything for us to go lower. Yeah, higher time frame. We had a daily fair value gap, but at the same time, if I was looking for an entry for shorts, I wouldn't have had gotten it and taken an L. We had no liquidity sweep, nor to give us another direction of us going lower. I mean, it's going to happen. It's going to happen. I'm glad I followed my rules. All right. Let's go. Let's do one more. Let's see how this worked out. I'll be looking for shorts here, but I'm not looking to trade this. I mean, we ended up just straight fucking pumping, so there's nothing much I could do about that. It was literally up and down. Next silver bullet. Let's see. Where's price at right now? I can't even. Oh, the thing is bugged out. Okay, that was my last one, anyways. Wait, what? That would dump, brother. Wait, what do you mean? No, I'm gonna journal every day. I didn't realize. Uh, I now that I'm realizing like journaling, I need it. It's gonna help me a lot more. All right, let's grind it back. One more trade. I'm calling it. All right, where are we at in price? We're very bearish. Bro, why is I? Oh my god, I fucking hate when that happens. I'm bearish, so let's look for shorts. So what I'm going to do is go on 15-minute, draw my dealing range from here to here. Last dealing range. Looking for shorts. Looking for price to come up to the 50% mark here, which we do. We ended up sweeping out this high. We tap discount or we tap premium area of this range. We also tap this order block here. So now let's wait. We got to change the state of delivery, but I'm gonna wait here. This is the dealing range. I want to see price come into discount area. If I would draw my journaling from here to here, this discount, this period was in discount. I could have looked to short here. It's the same thing that happened last time. We just keep making new lowers. I mean, new lows. And yeah, I mean, we have this 2-minute gap. We swept out all these highs, looking for lower prices. We also have this volume balance here also. And we have no reason to really go higher. So let's see what price action wants to give us. We tap this gap up here. We sweep out these highs. I could look to short here. Realistically speaking. We have major S&T here. Alright, I'll give short here a try. Stops like right here. Alright, where am I looking at partial? This low. There we go, partial off here. Stops to break even. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so I guess we wanted. I mean, we caught this move down, which is 30 points, which is good. Um, but like I said, that's a decent trade overall. We were in barely zero. We were in zero drawdown. Okay, let me. This is the last trade, anyways. I'm just gonna journal it really quick. What I did right here. I was patient and didn't FOMO, obviously because it's on FX replay. Price had a big push up, was still bearish because price had no reason to go up. Price dumped off this 1 minute fair value gap plus. Let me see. Plus it just came out of a unmitigated 15-minute fair value gap, and also we had SMT at those highs. What do we have? Here? Inverse fair value gap. Oh, we had an inverse fair value gap, and then a regular fair value gap. Once I saw that we had respected the regular fair value gap first, I entered my position. I took partials at the blue line because that was where price could especially pump. Price did pump after I took partials. That's why it's a good thing to take partials. What I could have done better here. I followed my plan exactly. SMT, IFVG, and respection. I don't know if respection is even a word, but respection of the fair value gap was in little to zero drawdown, and then it dumped. I think I did everything good here. There we go. Respection. 1 to 2. I think this was a 1 to 2. Yeah, this was a 1 to 2. If I would have held it, but I took partials at this blue line. Bro, I was writing a novel. 1 to 1. Yeah, it's a 1 to 6, but it's all good. I mean, fuck. Bro turned trading into a diary book. I gotta keep backtesting, keep journaling. But I'm gonna call it a day here. Other than that, guys, I appreciate everyone for joining. Trying to get better and better every single day. I'm gonna start journaling more often. I have to. Like I said, I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. I'm gonna watch a little bit more videos. Yeah, I mean, shit. There's nothing. Yeah, I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Gonna be implementing this into tomorrow's trade. So hopefully, I appreciate you guys. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's in my bio. It's completely free. Yeah, other than that, guys, I'll catch you guys all in the Discord. I'll text you guys in the Discord. I'll be active in Discord. But yeah, other than that, guys, I will catch you guys all tomorrow.